Good morning, children. Now it's time for your mental maths, and today we'll be doing chapter 3, subtraction, worksheet 15. Fill in the blanks. Any number subtracted from itself gives dash as the difference. So any number, if I subtract from the same number, like if I subtract 5 from 5, so what answer will I get? I'll get a 0. So any number subtracted from itself gives 0 as the difference. Next, any number minus 1 is its, if you subtract 99 minus 1, so we'll be getting 98. So any number minus 1 is its, what is it? It is its predecessor, means the before number, predecessor. So any number minus 1 is its predecessor. Next, any number minus 0 is, so any number like 73 minus 0, you will be getting 73. Any number minus 0 is the number itself. What number is there? It will be the same. Like 73 minus 0 will be 73 itself, the number itself. Difference of any number and its successor is the difference of any number and its successor, then in the next number, that is will be successor, that will be 1. The difference between the successor and the predecessor of the difference between the successor and the predecessor of a number is 2. Successor 1 and predecessor 1, so it will be 2. Next, 7248 minus 10 will be how much? See, it is minus 10. Any number you subtract from 10, you look at the tens number, like ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So this is tens. Tens, in tens place there is number, the digit is 4. So here you have to subtract from 1. So 4 minus 1 will be 3. So the answer, if it is as it is, you have to subtract from 10. So you have to look at the tens place. Any number that will be given in tens, you have to subtract that from minus 1. So here the in tens place, the digit is 4. So you have to subtract from 1. So the answer will be 3. So now what will be the answer? 7238. 7238. Next, 2586 minus 100. So now you see, here you have to subtract from 100. So you have to look at the hundreds place. So here the hundreds, in the hundreds place the digit is 5. So you have to subtract from the, you have to subtract this digit minus 1. So the answer will be 4. So the answer will be 2486. 2486. Next, 9374 minus 10. So again look at the tens place. In the tens place the digit is 7. So here you have to subtract from minus 1. So 7 minus 1 will be 6. Now if you subtract 9374 minus 10, the answer will be 9364. Next, 9634 minus 1000. So here 1000 place is there. So here you have to look at the 1000 place. In the 1000 place the digit is 9. So here you have to subtract from minus 1. That is 9 minus 1. The answer will be 8. So 9634 minus 1000. What will be the answer? The answer will be 8634. Now next is 1452 minus 0. So any number, if you subtract from, if you minus from 0, the number will be itself as we have done previously. So 1452 minus 0, the answer will be 1452. It will be, the number will be itself. Now 3568 minus 1000. Again it is, you have to subtract from 1000. So look at the 1000 place. In the 1000 place the digit is 3. So here you have to subtract 3 from 1. 3 minus 1. So the answer will be 2. So 3568, the answer minus 1000, the answer will be 2568. Next, 2479 minus 1, that is the predecessor. So what is the predecessor of 2479? The before number, it will be 2478. Now 8624 minus dash is equal to 0. As we have done, and look at the first sum, look at the first point. Any number subtracted from itself gives 0 as the difference. So the difference is 0. So any number subtracted from itself, so the number that is given 8624, if we subtract the same number, then only we will get the 0 as the difference. So you have to subtract 8624 minus 8624, the difference will be 0. Next, 3251 minus dash is equal to 3251. So the number, any number minus 0 will be the number itself. So 3251 minus 0, the number, the difference will be the number itself. Now 8631 minus dash is equal to 8531. So here look at the difference. In this everything is same, but at the hundreds place the digit is, here the digit is 6 and the difference that you are getting, the difference is 5. So what you have to do, how much to subtract? You will be getting minus 8531. If you subtract 6 from 6 minus 5, the answer will be 1. So how much will you subtract from here? You have to subtract 100. So 8631 minus 100, the answer will be 8531. Now the difference between the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. The largest 3-digit number is 999 and the smallest 3-digit number is the 100. So if it's the difference between this, now the difference between the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. So the greatest 3-digit number is 1000 and the smallest 3-digit number is 999. So if you subtract these numbers, you will be getting 899. Exercise worksheet 16 is your homework. Solve all the sums in your mental maths book. Now let's go to worksheet 17. Look at the sums. Subtract and also check your answer by corresponding addition. So here the sums which are given, first we have to subtract the sums. We have to take out the difference of these two numbers, and then the difference that we will be getting, we have to add from the subtrahend. Okay, so first let us subtract the number. Nine minus 6, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Write down 7 at the ones place. Now it's 4. Now 9 minus 4, again you have to carry number 1. So 14 tens minus 9 tens will be, here write down 6. 14 minus 9 will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. Now again 8 is greater, so you have to carry. So 8, 16 will be 8. The answer will be 8. 2 minus 1 will be 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So the difference is 1857. So this number you have to add from the 1857. So if you add 9 minus 6, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 15, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 8, will be 15. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 will be 3. So the answer, now if you see, check your answer by the corresponding. This is the answer is right. Now look at the next one. 6194. You have to subtract from 3726 from 6194. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 6 carry 8 14. Now 14 ones minus 6 ones. 14 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 7. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 8. Now go to the tens. Subtract the tens. 8 tens minus 2 tens. The answer will be 6 tens. Then go to the hundreds one. As 7 is greater, so you have to write. We can't subtract 100 minus 700, so we have to regroup 6000 and 100. So write down over here 5 and 11. Now subtract 1100 minus 700. The answer will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 400. And 5000 minus 3000 will be 2000. So the answer is 2468. Now again, in order to check the we have to check the answer by corresponding addition. What we have to do? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now what answer you have got? 2468 plus 3726. What we have to do in order to catch up? We have the difference that we have got. With that we have to add the minuend, the larger number from which is subtracted. Okay, from that we have to add. So the difference that we have got, we have to add with the larger, that is from the minuend. What is minuend? Minuend is the larger number from which the subtrahend is subtracted. Now if we add these two numbers, 8 plus 14, 6 plus 1 7, 8 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 will be 6000. So the answer is 6194. Now look at the next one. 7631. Again ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now we can't subtract 1 ones from 9 ones, so we have to regroup. So we have to regroup 3 tens and 1 ones. So what we have to do here? 2 and 1. So 9. So now just subtract 11 ones minus 9 ones. 9, 10, 11. Now again, as we cannot subtract 2 tens minus 8 tens, so we have to regroup 6 hundreds and 2 tens as 5 hundreds and 12. So 12 tens minus 8 tens will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. Again 500 minus 100, the answer will be 400. Then 7 minus 6 will be 1442. So in order to check the correspondence, 1800,000, we have to plus it. Write down 6189 plus 1442. The difference that we have got, we have to add with the larger number, that is the minuend. So 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4, 1 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. So the answer is, now you're done. If you check like this, if you get the same answer, that means your answer is right. Now go to the next one. As we can ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. As we cannot subtract, so 15 ones minus, we have to regroup 7 tens and 0 5 ones as 6 tens and 15. So 9 minus will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. So we can't subtract, so we have to regroup 2 hundreds and 16. So 16 minus 8 tens will be 16 10 minus 8 tens will be 8. Then 100 minus 100 will be 0, and 5 1000 will be, so the answer is 5806. In order to check the answer, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, we have to add with the minuend, that is 5. We have to add the difference with the minuend. 086. 9 plus 6, 15. 17. 2, 5. So now if you get the same answer, that means your answer is right. Now see, first write down the place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and then apply to 6287 minus 5439. So if we subtract, we cannot subtract 7 ones from 9 ones. We can't subtract 9 ones from 7 ones, so we have to regroup 8 tens and 7 ones as 17. So 7, so 9 minus 17 minus 17 ones minus 9 ones will be 8 ones, then 7 minus 7 tens minus 3 tens will be 4, as we cannot subtract 400 minus 200, so we have to regroup 6000 and 200 as 1200s and 4, so we subtract 1200 minus 4, the 8, so the answer is 8408. See, this is the next sum. Let's find the difference. Now see, 5482 and 7495. So we have to always, in the subtract, we always have to write the greater number. In the greater number is always the minuend, and it has to be right at the bottom. Then we have to write the subtract, that is 5482. Now we have to subtract 5 ones minus 2 tens will be 3 ones, 9 tens minus 8 tens will be 1, 400 minus 400 will be 0, and 7000 minus 5000 will be 2013. Now look at the sums, find the missing digit. This we have to do as homework. Now look at the next sums. Find in the number wheels by counting backwards. Count backwards by 100. See, 8346, 8246, 8146. So if you subtract this number, if you have to subtract this number, if you subtract 8140, if you subtract 100 from 8146, the answer will be 8046. Now again, if you subtract 100 from 8046, the answer will be 7946. Always I said you, if it is count backwards by 100, so your hundreds place will only change. The hundreds place digit will only change. So if it is 7946, so if you again backward count, so in 9 place what it will be, 7846. Now again look at the 8 digit, it is in 100 place, so it will be the predecessor of, what is the predecessor of 8? It is 7. That is how much it will be, 7746. Again look at the, it is count backwards by 100, so again look at the 100 place digit, that is 7. Again if you subtract minus 1, it will be 6. So 6. So what will be the answer? That is predecessor of 7 will be 6. So if you subtract 7746 minus 100, the answer will be 7646. The rest of the things do as homework. Thank you.